Okay, so this is Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Okay, and very common. Right? You have your rows and your column, and every particular cell is given something like a coordinate. Right, so G3, then you have your B1 and so forth. So you can see the coordinates over here. But you can actually name the cell. If you do not want this cell to be called D2, why? You can actually give it a different name. Like for instance, price. See that? You can call this price. Okay. Then whenever you move to here, you can actually see the price. See this? All right. But of course, some students will always ask why. Okay. The reason is because when you use formula, it will actually be a lot readable. For instance, if I say, right, this is equals to price, okay, you can see, right, multiply, let's say, 1.06 taxation. Okay, so if the price is $1, right, then it'll be 106. But now notice how it is placed inside the formula. Right, price multiply 106 instead of D2, right, multiply 106. Okay, so it makes your entire formula a lot readable.